Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame real quick. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I'm going to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, very nice bounce. And when you stop and think about it, that just a couple days ago, the price was all the way down there, and now the price has bounced all the way back up to that area of the chart. Sure, there's been a pullback from the highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where the price was down around here to where it is right now, still overall a good move. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 0.038. So why is 0.038 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.038. If the price were to go down to that area and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price literally right back to where it was before the big bounce even happened. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, maybe the price comes down here, but in this situation behaves in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd actually have some lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, again, quote unquote, progress being defined as 0.038. What about levels of resistance going into next week? To offer up a bit more context, going to squeeze down the chart here just a little bit so you can kind of see that, the chart's starting to approach some areas that haven't been seen for a while. And that next key overall level of resistance is going to be right up there around 0.045, give or take a little bit. But you look back here, you can see quite a bit of price congestion with that area knocking down the price. And then during that big surge that happened today, not totally shocking to see that it got rejected from right around that area there. Overall, though, any way you look at it, very, very nice way to end the week. Now going into next week, it's definitely a more than valid question to wonder, is this the start of something bigger? So let's see if the price can build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.